Students, now we are going to learn the third chapter, algebra. In this algebra, first we have to recall the linear equation in two variables. For a linear equation, equation means it has the left hand side and right hand side for with some values. So now linear equation in two variables. Any first degree equation containing two variables x and y is called a linear equation in two variables. Their general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So now suppose we have to consider this xy minus 7 equal to 3 is not a linear equation in a two variable because their power for here one their highest power degree is 2, so it is not a linear equation. A linear equation in two variables represent a straight line in xy plane. It is a one word question. A linear equation in two variables represent a straight line in xy plane. It is one word question. Exercise 3.1 first problem, solve the following system of linear equation in three variables. X plus y plus z equal to 5, 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 9, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. For the same method already you are learned in a 9th standard. For it is a substitution method, you are learned substitution method, elimination method, and one more method, graphical method. For now we are going to use a elimination method. By using the elimination method we have to find the value of x, y and z. Exercise 3.1 first problem. First you write the given question. First one consider as a first equation, second equation, third equation. That is x plus y plus z equal to 5 first equation. 2x minus y plus z equal to 9, it is a second equation. X minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16, it is a third equation. First you have to consider the first equation and second equation. First you have to eliminate y. So how you have to eliminate y? It is plus, it is minus. So directly it is eliminated. So directly it's become cancelled. So what you have to use? Add 1 plus 2. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x. Z plus z equal to 2z equal to 14. Again we have a two variables. So it is called it as equation number 4. Already we used 3 equations. So it is 4. Now you have to consider third equation. So x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. And the first equation multiple by 3, so that multiple by 2, so that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 10. So now you have to you have to simplify these two. It is adding these two. For it is x plus 2x equal to 3x minus 2y plus 2y cancel, so 3z plus 2z 5z, adding these two, it is a 26. We have to add these two. It is called it as equation number 5. Now we have to consider equation number 4 and 5. So that is fourth equation is 3x plus 5z equal to 26. Sorry, fifth equation. Then fourth equation is 3x plus 2z equal to 14. Now you have to change the sign. 5 minus 4 implies. For here you have to use 5 minus 4 implies. Minus, when you are subtracting the two equation, change the sign of the second equation. So that is it is minus, it is minus, it is minus. So plus minus cancel. For you have to consider after changing the sign, what you have, that we have to consider, that is 5z minus 2z. So that is 3z equal to 12. So z equal to 12 by 3, that is equal to 4. Z value we found. Then the z value substitute in equation number 4. For that is equation number 4 is 3x plus 2z equal to 14. So now for it is 3x plus 2z, 2 into 4 equal to 14. So 3x equal plus 8 equal to 14. 3x is equal to, for this 8 you got to transpose here, minus 8 it is become a 6. Subtract 14 minus 8 is 6. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. X is equal to 2. Now you have to substitute x equal to 2 and z equal to 4 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x plus y plus z equal to 5. So x value 2 plus y z value is 4. So 6 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. This plus 6 transpose here, it's become a minus. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 4. Second question, 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 equal to 0. 1 by y minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to 0, 2 by z plus 3 by x is equal to 14. For it is in the fraction form, first we have to make it as the standard linear equation form, then we have to solve like a first problem. First you have to write the given question, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 equal to 0. 1 by y minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to 0. 2 by z plus 3 by x is equal to 14. Let 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b, 1 by z equal to c. So the first one is rewritten as a minus 2b plus 4. For 2 into 1 by y, that is a b. 2 into b minus 4. Second question, b minus c is equal to minus 1. So you have to transpose this side. For a left hand side, the constant you have to transpose this side. Then 2c plus 3a equal to 14. So it is called it as equation number 3. So now we have to solve these three equations. So first equation just take and write a minus 2b equal to minus 4. Then the second equation multiple by 2. So that is 2b minus 2c equal to minus 2. Now you have to add these two. So these two cancel. My a minus 2c equal to minus 6. So that is called it as equation number 4. Now you have to consider this fourth equation and third equation. Fourth equation a minus 2c equal to minus 6. Third equation 3a plus 2c equal to 14. So now you have to solve these two. Now you have to add 4 plus 3. That 4 plus 3 implies that is 4a. These two cancel. 4a equal to 8. A equal to 2. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. So substitute a equal to 2 in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is a minus 2c equal to minus 6. So a value we found 2. 2 minus 2c equal to minus 6. So minus 2c equal to minus 6. This plus 2 transpose here, it is minus 2. So minus 2c equal to minus 8. Minus minus cancel. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. C equal to 4. Now a value and c value we found. So a value and c value we have to substitute in equation number 2. Substitute in equation number 2, that is b minus c equal to minus 1. B minus c. C is minus 4 equal to minus 1. B equal to minus 1 plus 4, that is 4 minus 1. B equal to 3. A equal to 2. For a value we found, b value also we found, a, b, c. 3 values already we found. So now a equal to 2. So a is we assumed as a x. So x is equal to 1 by 2. B equal to 3. So this implies y equal to 1 by 3. C equal to 4. This implies z equal to 1 by 4. Students listen, we consider 1 by x is a. A value we found 2. So 1 by x is equal to 2. So this implies x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by y equal to b. That b value we found 3. So 1 by y equal to 3. Y equal to 1 by 3. 1 by z equal to c. That is c value 4. So that means 1 by z equal to 4, z equal to 1 by 4. So the x value 1 by 2, y value 1 by 3, z value 1 by 4. Third question, x plus 20 equal to 3y plus 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus of y plus z. So here not given as a separate equation. So we make it as a separate equation with the standard form. So first you have to compare these two. X plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. Then you have to compare these two. 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5. Then you have to compare these two. 2z plus 5 is equal to 110 minus of y plus z. So now you have to solve this. Make it as a linear form. So multiple by 2. Why we are multiple by 2? We want to remove this division. So it is that fraction. So 2x plus 40 equal to 3y. Multiple by 2, 2 cancel. So 3y plus 20. So that is 2x. Variables and constants we make it as a group. So 2x. This minus plus 3y becomes minus 3y. 20 minus 40. So it's become a minus 20. It is called it as equation number 1. Next 3y by 2 plus 10 is equal to 2z plus 5. So here we want to remove that fraction denominator. So multiple by 2. 3y plus 20, 10 into 2 20 is equal to 2 into 2z into 2 4z plus 10. So 3y minus 4z equal to plus 10 minus 20. It is equation number 2. Next to the third equation, 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus of y plus z. First you have to remove the bracket minus y minus z. So y plus 2z plus z equal to 105. So that is, you have to simplify this. For this minus z moves here, minus y, this fully you have to transpose here. For it as the variables you have to make it as a one side, that is minus y become plus y. For here this minus z is there, so that is 2z plus z is 3z equal to, for here 110 is there, this plus 5 transpose here minus 5, so 110 minus 5 is 105. So y plus 3z equal to 105. It is equation number 3. Now we have to consider the equation number 2, 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10, and the third equation multiple by 3. So that is 3y plus 9z equal to 315. You have to subtract these two. When we are subtracting, we have to change the sign for the second equation, that is minus minus minus. These two cancel. Same sign we have to add. Minus 4 minus 9 minus 13 is that. So here also same sign. It is minus 325. So minus minus cancel. Then 13th table it is a 25 times. Z equal to 25. Now we got to substitute Z in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is y plus 3z equal to 105. So that is y plus 3 into z is 25 equal to 105. So y plus 75 equal to 105. So y equal to 30. This 75 transpose here minus 75. So subtract, you get 30. Now we got to substitute y value in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. So 2x minus 3 into 30, y value 30 equal to minus 20. So that is equal to minus 20. So 2x is equal to this minus 90 transpose here, it is a plus 90. So x is equal to, you got to subtract these to 75. So x is equal to 75 by 2, that is equal to 35. X is equal to 35. The values x is equal to 35, y equal to 30, z equal to 25.